What's up everyone, it's Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day. I'm going to show you how to set the timer. 4 different ways to set the timer on your phone, so that way when you turn it on, you have it right there on your home screen. Let's get started. Way number 1, in the top right corner, you scroll down. You can go through the alarm clock and then click timer down here. However, the faster way is to usually just click on the timer setting itself, which is this clock symbol right here. You click on it, and it will bring you right to the timer. You scroll however many minutes. It goes up to a max of 60 minutes, and then you can scroll up to a max of 23 hours. So you can go up to 23 hours, 59 minutes, 59 seconds. It doesn't let you do a full 24 hours. You'll be 1 second short. Then let's say you press start, and see there's a countdown. It shows you the original timer that you set it for, and the countdown. You can pause it, and you can delete it by swiping left and then press delete. If you long press the swipe all the way to the left, it will just delete it instead of you having to press the button. Way number 2 to set a timer on iPhone is just to use Siri. Hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes counting down.
Okay, and that was with your voice. Way number 3, let's say for whatever reason, Siri doesn't respond to you. You then can press right here and hold on the power button, and like this. Siri, set timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, counting down.
See? Right here. Assuming you're in a situation where you can't use your voice to activate Siri. And when the timer goes off, it looks like that. You can either renew the time or you can X out of it. So that was all 4 ways. I'm going to retroactively count way number 1 as 2 separate ways because you could access it through the clock or through the timer itself. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Apple tips. I only ever do Apple related content, so if you love Apple, subscribe. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. We're at about 2,500 subs right now, so that's over 997,000 more subscribers to go. So let's get it. Woo! Peace.